we have an important OVI update sa inyong lahat, especially when it comes to our DCA or Daily Cash Assistance. Ano nga ba ang Daily Cash Assistance? Ito ay iyong benefit once you are covered by our Shield Pro product. Ang Daily Cash Assistance ay makukuha ng isang member ng ating community kapag siya ay na-aksidente. For bronze, you can get 1,000 pesos for 10 days. Kapag ikaw naman ay naka-platinum, you can receive 2,000 pesos for a maximum of 10 days. Pero huwag kakalimutan, you need to have a medical certificate that indicates na kailangan mong magpahinga. Huwag kakalimutan, ang Daily Cash Assistance ay nandiyan na benefit mo para tulungan ka dahil ikaw ay hindi makapagtrabaho at naputo lang yung income for the period na nagpapahinga ka. Kaya tayo may Daily Cash Assistance. So spread the word, be informed, and share the new update ng ating OVI sa ating Daily Cash Assistance. This is your OVI Master, Perry Tapales, and see you more in our frequently asked questions.